Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door beam frame in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door beam frame. This door beam frame holds the larger door beam. It allows the beam to be mounted on the door. The main reason to replace the door beam frame is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the door beam, we need to push it up out of the frame. To remove the door beam frame, we need to lift it up, and now we can slide it out. This is the old door beam frame next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the door beam frame in, we need to just slide it in, and then I'm going to push it down. And to install the door beam, we're just going to bring it on the top of the frame and drop it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.